As you walk through the forest, do you ever wonder what's making those sounds? Let's check out a couple of those unseen actors. First up, the Carolina chickadee. It's a small bird, about 4.5 to 5 inches in length. Next up, the Carolina wren, a small bird with a powerful call. A favorite, the Tufted Titmouse. Here's a male northern cardinal, munching on a leaf, making a couple of calls. This is another call made by the Tufted Titmouse. In case you've forgotten, this is the sound of the first Tufted Titmouse call presented earlier. Rapid flapping of the wings is part of the mating ritual. This guy has something stuck in its bill. Look closely. It's trying to make calls, but it can't. The yellow-crowned night heron. They are silent hunters. A final call from our favorite cardinal. They all have to be aware of the hawk. Well, as they say, that's all, folks. Thanks for viewing.